spices that will help make you well. Horseradish has antimicrobial properties. Horseradish, scientifically known as Armoracia rusticana, is a potent root vegetable known for its pungent and spicy flavor. It is not only a popular condiment for foods like meats and sandwiches, but also recognized for its health benefits, particularly its antimicrobial properties. Health benefits of horseradish 1. Antimicrobial properties. Horseradish contains compounds such as glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, which give it potent antimicrobial properties. These compounds can inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi, making horseradish a natural way to combat infections. 2. Respiratory health. The strong nature of horseradish makes it effective in clearing sinuses and relieving congestion. It acts as an expectorant, helping to clear out mucus from the respiratory passages. 3. Digestive health. Horseradish stimulates digestion by increasing saliva, gastric, and bile secretions. It can help improve digestion and prevent issues such as food stagnation in the stomach. 4. Antioxidant properties. The root is also rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Horseradish has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce pain and inflammation, particularly in the muscles and joints. How to use horseradish as a condiment. Freshly grated horseradish or prepared horseradish can be used as a condiment with meats, sandwiches, and salads. It adds a spicy kick to dishes. In sauces and dressings, horseradish is often mixed into sauces and dressings, pairing well with mayonnaise, sour cream, or vinegar to make flavorful dips and spreads. Juice, although not common. Horseradish juice can be taken in small amounts as a medicinal tonic to harness its health benefits, especially for respiratory health. Considerations: irritation and allergic reactions. The compounds that provide horseradish's pungency can irritate the mouth, throat, and stomach. It should be used cautiously, especially by those with gastrointestinal sensitivity or ulcers. Pregnancy, while generally considered safe in food amounts, the strong nature of horseradish means it should be used cautiously during pregnancy, particularly in medicinal amounts, as there is not enough research on its safety. Interactions with medications. Given its impact on the digestive system, horseradish might interact with medications, particularly those that are metabolized by the liver. Always consult a healthcare provider if you are on medication and wish to use horseradish in larger amounts. Horseradish is a powerful herb with multiple health benefits, from fighting infections to aiding digestion. However, due to its potent effects and potential to irritate, it's wise to start with small amounts and consult with a healthcare provider if considering its use for therapeutic purposes, especially if you have existing health conditions or dietary concerns. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our websites at www.orangeblackmuseum.com and www.orangebooks.com.